Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of smart home security with the GHome palm recognition Wi-Fi smart deadbolt lock. This is the KD10. This innovative device promises to revolutionize how we secure our homes by replacing traditional keys and even fingerprint scanners with advanced palm vein recognition technology. So let's explore what makes this smart lock stand out. In this video, we're going to get this open, see what comes in the box, we're going to install it and check out some of those features, and we're even going to test out that palm vein technology. So let's go. The GHome Smart Lock boasts a sleek, modern design that complements any door aesthetic. Its durable construction ensures longevity, while the Initiative Touch interface provides easy interaction. The lock's minimalist appearance doesn't just look good, it also houses sophisticated technology beneath its surface. At the heart of this smart lock is the palm vein recognition system. Unlike fingerprint scanners, this technology uses near-infrared sensors to detect the unique vein patterns in your palm, offering a touchless and highly secure method of entry. This means no more fumbling for the keys or worrying about worn-out fingerprints. It's especially convenient for situations where your hands are wet, dirty, or gloved, or you're even trying to bring in the shopping. For me, I found that amazing. I could just reach out a palm while holding all my bags. Installing the GHome Smart Lock is straightforward with clear instructions provided. The app guides you through the setup process, making it accessible even for those who are new to smart home devices. Users have praised its reliability and the seamless integration into their daily routines. The inclusion of the rechargeable battery means you won't be constantly replacing batteries, and the lock even notifies you when it's time to recharge. The GHome Smart Lock comes equipped with built-in Wi-Fi, eliminating the need for additional hubs or bridges. Through the GHome app, you can remotely lock or unlock the door, monitor access logs, and receive real-time notifications. It also supports voice control via Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Adding another layer of convenience, the auto lock and one-touch lock features ensure your door will always be secured, even if you forgot. Now there is some pros and cons. Advanced palm vein recognition for secure touchless entry, built-in Wi-Fi for remote access without additional hardware, voice assistant capabilities, user-friendly installation and app interface, rechargeable batteries with timely notifications. Now, of course, with pros, there's always cons. And as a relatively new technology, palm vein recognition may have a learning curve for some users. And the initial cost is higher compared to your traditional locks, but the features justify the investment. Now personally, I think the pros outweigh the cons tenfold, and really the cons aren't necessarily specific to the product itself, but more so the general technology that the field is in. So in conclusion, the GHome Palm Recognition Wi-Fi Smart Deadbolt Lock offers a compelling blend of security, convenience, and modern technology. Its innovative approach to home access sets it apart in the smart lock market. So if you're looking to upgrade your home security system with cutting-edge features, this smart lock is certainly worth considering. If you are interested, we are going to be leaving a link in the description below. Please leave a comment and let me know what your favorite feature of the smart lock was. Share this with a friend who you think may need this in their home. Of course, hit that like button and subscribe for more great reviews just like this. We'll see you in the next one.